Si Chuck ba? Chuck? Okay. O si George Nava, Mr. Okay. Ayan, si Pink ng pep.ph. Hi, Pink!
Good evening. For Mateo, Liza, and Enrique, can you just share a little about
your role?
Your bonding off cam so far?
Oo nga.
Actually, ako hindi ko pa nakakasama si Mateo sa set. Tsaka si Liza actually isang beses pa lang. I mean, yung isang scene. Kasi sa story hindi pa kami nakikita. But, ayun. Pero masaya naman, you know? It's just normal. Parang forever lang.
Like
masaya lang.
Kasi parang love triangle ulit tong...
Yes. Oh, actually wala pa kasi...
Wala pa
kami. Hindi pa nag-meet sa story. Kung saan kami ngayon sa script, hindi pa kami nag-meet yung two worlds. So,
so far...
We're okay naman. Oo naman.
Okay lang
problema. Wala naman problema.
I mean, kung describe nyo na lang yung I mean, kasi kung before ba, may chance na magkaroon ng bonding.
Alright, Enrique Cebuano eh.
Oo, kasi ito yung tita ko, yung bunsong kapatid ng mom ko is actually a really good friend of his mom. Magkaklase sila. So, ever since before, may pagka-family friend yung mom niya tsaka yung mom side ko.
Right. At so, kapag nasa Cebu si Enrique, nakikita
lagi kami, Bisaya, tapos yung mom niya, yung tita mo, yung kapatid ng mama. So, medyo close rin.
Right.
Si Mateo, how do you find Liza?
Oo nga, Mati. Gandang-ganda man.
Sobra, di ba? Yeah. Pag mag-aaway kami na yun.
Wow!
Okay lang, hindi ako. Ako may pag-aaral lang sa'yo. Ako hindi mo mag-aaral.
July is beautiful, beautiful. Nung nagtrabaho kami sa Italy, sa umpisa akala ko sobrang bata ni Liza dahil she was 17 pa lang, di ba? Pero ngayon 18.
Difference 18.
But she's very, ngayon 18. She had her debut. But she's very matured for her age. She makes decisions on her own. It's very nice to see a woman like that, very independent person. And galing ni Liza, nakakatuwa. Marami mga hidden talents niya na hindi niyo alam. Na,
like
diba?
what?
Wow. She likes to rap and all this stuff. She's really good. And yeah, we had a lot of bonding moments. Kaso lang palagi nasa FaceTime si Liza.
Ay!
Hindi pa FaceTime.
So yun, masaya yung Italy trip namin.
Wala nga akong internet eh.
Ano?
Yung wifi na.
Ano?
Sabi ko palagi nagpa-FaceTime sa Italy.
Oh.
Ano favorite? Oh, yun pala yun. Anong favorite part mo sa Italy, Liza?
Ilang days ba yun muna sa Italy?
1 week.
Kami chill kami sa Tondo. Chill lang kami.
Ako halos 10 pa lang. Kasi maaga po ako pumunta doon. Before the others. Sabay ko po sila direct Cathy po.
Sila papasta.
So nakapag-vacation po.
Kami quick. Pero
masarap din ang quick.
Oh, masarap nga. Tsaka pasta, masarap din.
Ano pinakagusto mo doon, Liza?
Yung pagkain. Sobrang sarap ng mga pagkain. Tapos, gusto ko talaga yung mga sites talaga. The buildings, the history behind everything. Sobrang sarap lang.
Tsaka yung sinabi ko yung Vatican.
Yeah, I got to go to the Vatican at I got to pass through the Holy Door.
Kasi
so,
I think once in 15 years, 25 years, they opened the Holy Door. So sabi ko, wait, you have to go. So nakapunta naman siya.
Ikaw pa.
Nag-text ako. Sabi ko, nag-text ako. You have to go kasi 25 years lang. So nakapunta naman siya. She was able to go inside. So swerte niya na.
Ayun, for my last question, before na-mention ni Enrique nag-interview na pag-ibig na si Liza, you're gonna ask her if she can be your girlfriend.
Walang sabi na, no?
Ano po?
Pag 18 ka daw, pwede kang ligawan na. Ngayon 12 pa lang si Liza.
Yeah.
Charot lang, tagal pala. Alam, tumagal.
Nagpa-birthday, nagre-rewind eh. Nagpa-backtrack.
Pero ano lang real score between the two before? Ay, now.
It's... it's, it's still the same. I would say, well, not like before. I mean, siguro, it develops more. At that point, yung pagiging hindi pa pwede sa ngayon. But there's other priorities you have to prioritize. Pero we're in a place na we're so happy. And that's that. I'm happy. Ay, come on, smile ko. So,
Nag-holding
you know,
hands na ba kayo, bro?
yeah, I mean, label doesn't really mean anything as long as you guys are happy. So, as long as you're happy, nothing really matters. So.
Grabe. Okay.
Ano po? Anything else to add? Masaya po. Masaya po kami na lagi kami magkatrabaho. It's really good being with him because the foundation of our friendship sobrang solid. Solid. Tapos, yun, I'm just happy with what's going on right now.
Okay. Liza, are you into Italian pizza or Spanish paella? Ano ba yung, anong favorite Spanish na food mo tsaka Italian food?
Ako po.
Hindi, siya. Change mo.
Mexican po.
Oo naman. Are you into Spanish or
I
Italian
love
food?
Italian and Mexican food the most.
Mexican. Wala tayong Mexican cast dito eh.
Pero sa Italy, ang pinakamasarap na natikman ko po yung
Gelato.
gelato tsaka risotto.
Oo. So hinanap mo pagbalik mo rito?
Opo, nung pagbalik ko dito, pasta ako ng pasta.
Okay. Okay. So,
Yes.
meron?
Lele Metraples. Lele Metraples.
Yeah, he
Oh.
See in Bologna restaurant, the beach of Liza on the wall.
Opo, because the owner of the restaurant, parang lagi pag may mga Italian artist na pupunta doon, pinipicture po nila, tapos pinapost mo.
Dito yan, sabi niya. Okay.
Sa Italy po, sa Bologna.
The number one daw, ha?
Wow. Bologna, parang
Sarap
sausage,
talaga.
no? Charot. Okay, so we'll entertain more questions. We are actually down to our last three. So.
Sir Brucey.
Donatello.
Yeah, I know that.
Michelangelo.
Si Mr. George True has a question. Mr. George, can we share the mic? Ate P, thank you. Oo nga eh.
Yeah,
Okay.
good afternoon. I have a question for the writer.
Yeah.
Taray,
What
parang
was your
ano.
inspiration in coming up with this story? And do you think na yung cast nag-live up dun sa mga characters na create mo?
Yeah, definitely yung cast. They say na ang script, ang story, ang screenplay is 50% and the rest is probably is for the director and for the